Hello and welcome back to Porsche Top 5. We quickly start with our episode because today it's all about speed. The Porsche 911 Turbo S has 580 horsepower, and as already seen last season, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The source for its power is mainly the 3.8-liter turbocharged flat six-cylinder engine. As an everyday car, this one here is able to reach speeds of up to 330 kilometers per hour. One of the most famous and admired Porsche models of all times. Please let me present to you the Carrera GT. 5.7-liter V10 engine, 612 horsepower, and 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 3.9 seconds. Pure racing technology designed for the road. And one more thing that'll have you dazzled. Its top speed of 334 kilometers per hour. And we are going a little further back in history. The Porsche 959S. It's the mid-80s, and the Porsche 959 was one of the first sports cars to earn the title supercar. A 2.8-liter flat six-cylinder engine with a total output of 450 horsepower. It soon became the world's fastest car. But it wouldn't have been Porsche if they stopped there. The S version of the 959 was produced only 29 times, and every single one has a different output, since the customers could decide how powerful they wanted their supercar. The 959S was a sensation by no doubt. Back to the present times. Here it is, the record-holding sports car 2 times over on the Nordschleife. Powered by a 3.8-liter flat six-cylinder engine doing 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Its performance and driving behavior in the twists and curves of the racetracks are unbelievable. But even on a straight road, its 700 horsepower catapults you to a top speed of 340 kilometers per hour. It's not a Porsche Top 5 without the 918 Spider. Its imposing appearance is simply unmistakable. The combined output of 887 horsepower is still impressive by today's standards, even 5 years after its record-breaking lap on the Nordschleife. And its top speed of 345 kilometers per hour drives it straight to number 1. And here are our top 5 fastest Porsche models. And we'll be excited to see if there are any new speed records in the next couple of years.